next on the line, this is a portable Bluetooth speaker. It says JBL on it, but I doubt this is original because it feels very light. Problem with the speaker, charging port is broken, and here is broken. Probably someone tried to open it or something like that. I don't see screws, so pretty much we'll try to open it from here, and if it's not original, then probably it should be very easy to be open. Yeah, I think yeah. So okay, and now yeah, we have to separate this, and it should be open. Yeah. So we have some screws, small ones. We need to remove all this here. Let me find a suitable screwdriver. So I think we have to remove this. I think it has to be rotated. Okay, same procedure. So now we have access to the board, which is let's try and disconnect. That's the battery, and that's the speakers. So right now we have the board out. Let's check under the microscope to see. Just a basic charging port, no data lines. So let's try and remove it quickly. I'm gonna cover the plastic. port is out. Let me get a new one. Should be like this one. Yeah, it's the same. So let's try and prepare the port. I'm gonna thin the pads a little bit. Like this. Now let's lower the temperature. 350, so we don't melt the plastic. So some flux. And let's see. We're gonna press a little bit. And just in case, we're gonna touch with the soldering iron, just to be sure. Let's flip the everything is fine. Let's clean a little bit. Yeah, charging port looks fine. No melted plastic. So let's try and plug it in to see will it charge, because we don't know the story of this and the battery may be flat. So plug in the charger. We have the white light, which means the speaker is charging. I guess we have steady charge of about 300 milliamps. Let's try and power on this to see will it work. Yeah.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Well, it's not original, as we can see. So yeah, the battery is almost full, probably. That's why it's charging only with 300 milliamps. But yeah, it's working. So now the only thing I gotta do is to try and put back everything like it was, which is also think this was like that, and this was like this, I guess. Yeah, something like this. Now we have to put the rubber thingies. Let's try to be professionals and place it like this, and the other one should be like this. Yeah. Now let's try and I think there's the power button like this. We have some plastic things that have to go inside, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. So let's try to power on to see, do we have the buttons right. Let's connect the charger again. We have a charging light. Yeah.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Yeah. The speaker is charging. Let's power off. Yeah. I'm gonna leave it to charge for a while. We have this, which I think I have to put before I close this. So yeah. yeah, something like this. Yeah, a weird video, but yeah, if you have this fake JBL speaker, now you know how you can replace the charging port. I hope you like the video. Bye bye for now.